Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of September 2023 for all the Gemini Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of September for all the Gemini Ascendant people. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Gemini Ascendant people, Sun controls your third house, and right now Sun is moving in your third house with Mercury in sign of Leo. Means Sun is right now moving in its own sign in your third house. Third house deal with your communication, your younger siblings, your cousins, your neighbors is seen from third house. Your efforts is seen from third house. Your mainly your hands, your communication skill, your writing ability is seen from third house. So right now your third house lord is moving third house. So we can expect in the month of September, especially till 17th of September, because Sun will stay in your third house till 17th of September. You may have to deal with a lot of effort, a lot of communication related matters, but it will be in good way because third house lord is moving in third house. So we can expect your major focus will be your communication related matter, your cousins, your younger siblings, and your neighbors in the month of September, especially till 17th of September. Mercury is also moving in your third house, and right now Mercury is in retrograde motion. So we can expect you may have to deal with some argument as well regarding your cousins, regarding your neighbors, regarding your siblings related matter in the month of September, especially till 17th of September. After 17th of September, Sun will move to your fourth house in the sign of Virgo. Then we can expect your major focus after 17th of September will be your home, your mother's health, your property related matter, and your vehicles related matter, because fourth house will be your mother's, your property related matters. Also your emotions and your feelings is also seen from your fourth house. So we can expect these results from Sun in the month of September for all the Gemini Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Gemini Ascendant people, Mercury controls your first house and your fourth house, and right now Mercury is moving in your third house in the sign of Leo, where Sun is already moving. First house deal with your personality, your general health is seen from first house, your all the aspects of your life is seen from first house. Fourth house deal with you, your mother is seen from fourth house, your mother's health, your relationship with your mother is seen from fourth house. Your home related matter is also seen from fourth house, your property, your convenience is also seen from fourth house. So right now your fourth house lord and first house lord is moving in your third house in retrograde motion in the sign of Leo. So we can expect you discussed previously in Sun section, your major focus in the month of September will be your communication related matter, your writing related matter. You may have to sign a lot of deal in the month of September, because third house, seventh house, and 11th house also deal with your signature, your commitment, your meetings. And also Mercury is moving in your third house, means your ascendant lord is also moving in your third house. So that's why we can easily say your major focus in the month of September will be your communication related matters, your younger brother and sisters, and your cousins related matter, and also your neighbors related matter. You may arrange some get together, and you will encounter many communication related matter in the month of September, especially before 17th of September. Also, you need to be careful regarding your argument, your disturbance in communication, because Mercury will be right now moving in retrograde motion and moving towards Sun. And whenever any planet comes too close to Sun, it will be in a combust position. So we can expect these results for all the Gemini Ascendant people in the month of September. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Gemini Ascendant people, Venus controls your 12th house and your 5th house, and right now Venus is moving in your second house in the sign of Cancer. 12th house deal with your isolation, your expenses, your losses is seen from 12th house. Your foreign settlement related matter is also seen from 12th house. Your spirituality related matter is seen from 12th house. Your long-term investment, your dreams, your privacy, and your bedroom related activities is also seen from 12th house. Fifth house deal with your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your children, your love affairs is seen from fifth house. Your emotions, your emotional relationship is also seen from fifth house. Your children, your early education, and how smart you are, how fast you can learn things is also seen from fifth house. So right now your fifth house lord and your 12th house lord is moving in your second house in the sign of Cancer. And second house deal with your family lineage, your family history, your family values is seen from second house. Your speech, your food intake habits, and your mouth region is also seen from second house. Your bank balance, your savings, your family's wealth is also seen from second house. So we can expect you may expect in the month of September, especially September, you may have some gain, you may have some money related gain from foreign land if you have some relationship in foreign countries, because your 12th house lord is moving in your second house in the house of saving, and Venus is performed very well in the sign of Cancer. So that's why we can expect positive result for you people. Also your 5th house lord Lord is moving in your second house, and Ketu is moving in your fifth house from last year, March 2022. So we can expect you were facing many difficulties, many problems regarding your mental abilities, your education related matter, and your love relationship. But right now, Venus is moving in your second house. Second house considered as most positive house in astrology. And fifth house Lord is moving 10 places away from itself. If we count from fifth house, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 means your fifth house Lord is moving 10 places away from itself. So we can expect positive result regarding your love relationship, regarding your education related matter, and your mental abilities. We can expect positive result in all of these significances in the month of September for you people. We can expect these results from Venus for all the Gemini Ascendant people in the month of September. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Gemini Ascendant people, Moon controls your second house, and right now Moon is moving in your 12th house in the sign of Taurus. Positions of planets you are watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of September, and on the basis of 6th September we are predicting for whole month because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in one video, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. Because right here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, disturbance, issues are always associated with these houses. And Moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet, Moon get influenced very easily. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days we can also expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. Actually malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. During these days we can also expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Gemini Ascendant people, Mars controls your 11th house and your 6th house, and right now Mars is moving in your 4th house in the sign of Virgo. 11th house deal with your elder siblings. Your gains means your gains in life is seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. Your PR is also seen from 11th house. Your professional network circle, your friend circle, your achievements in life is also seen from 11th house. 6th house deal with your court case, your argument, your litigation, your daily routine is also seen from 6th house. Your 6th house deal with your argument, your fight, your court case, litigation, your competition is seen from 6th house. Your loan, your disease pattern is seen from 6th house. Your daily routine is also seen from 6th house. Your hidden enemies are also seen from 6th house. So right now your 11th house Lord and your 6th house Lord is moving in your 4th house. So we can expect you see in some section your major focus will be your home related matter after 17th of September when Sun will move to your 4th house, and also your Lord of gain, your Lord of achievement, your Lord of incoming gains is moving in the house of property, in the house of gain, in the house of vehicle. So we can expect you may get and you may buy some good vehicle, and you may buy some conveniences related thing in the month of September for you, because right now your 11th house Lord is moving in your 4th house and also Jupiter is moving there. So we can expect you may have some gain related to convenience, related to vehicles and related to property matter in the month of September, especially after 17th of September. Mars also controls your 6th house, and 6th house deal with argument, fights, litigation, and right now moving in your 4th house. So you need to be careful regarding your argument, regarding your fights, regarding your disturbance with your homies, means with your people of your home, because present aggression, and right now controlling your 6th house, house of conflicts, and Sun is also represent ego and will be in your 4th house with Mars after 17th of September. So we can expect you may have to deal with some argument, some competition and some litigation regarding your home related matter and with your home and with the people of your home. So we can expect these results in the month of September for all the Gemini Ascendant people. We will have 4 major astrological events in the month of September. As we discussed previously, Sun will move from your 3rd house to your 4th house in the sign of Virgo on 17th September 2023. Second major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in retrograde motion in your 2nd house in the sign of Cancer. Venus will turn into a direct motion on 4th September 2023 in your 2nd house. Third and most important astrological event is that Jupiter is about to turn into a retrograde motion in your 11th house on 5th September 2023, as we discussed previously in Jupiter retrograde video. Fourth and last important astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your third house in retrograde motion, as we discussed previously in Mercury section, and Mercury will stay retrograde till 15th September 2023, as we discussed previously in Mercury retrograde video. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu, we have described the results of these planets in detail in our yearly prediction videos. If you are interested to know the results of these planets for the whole year of 2023 for your ascendant, then you check my yearly prediction playlist and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of September 2023 for all the Gemini ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.